look like they're having so much fun. It really is a cool place here. Get it? Cool?
Floof, floof, floof.
We're not here to make jokes, Lavender. We're here to help the bat. Oh, there he is! Wait a minute. There are lots of bats, as many as we saw before, and they're getting so close to the turbines.
Maybe the bugs are back? Should we go check?
Good idea, Lavender, and we need to act fast. I'm on it. Speed power! Well, there are definitely no bugs over there, but the bats are still in trouble. Maybe we should all grab a handful of them.
Bad idea. There are too many bats to grab, and even if we take them away, they can still go back to the turbines.
Could something else be pushing them toward the turbines?
Something has to be, Lavender. Let me take a look. Vision power! I see something. Looks like a house. Indy and I can check it out, but first we should stop the turbines. Lavender?
You got it, Phoebe. I'm on it. Flitter power, micro power.
Okay, back to that very unattractive metal box again. Oh, good, it's open. There couldn't just be a simple on-off switch. And now to get in. Swirl and a twirl, I'll give it a whirl. Yeah, sure. Pull on this, yank